Welcome to our lesson on solving word problems involving money. All right, how to begin. The first step is to read through the entire word problem one time, just so that you know what it says. The next step is to read through the word problem a second time and slow down while reading it. Take your time. Next, identify what is being asked, what you already know, and what you need to know. The fourth step is to solve the problem, and finally, reread the problem to make sure you really answered what was being asked. Let's practice. The first problem says, Amber wants a new doll that sells for $21.99. She has $14.50. How much more money does she need until she can afford the doll? So let's think about what we know. We know the doll sells for $21.99. We know she has $14.50. And by asking how much more money does she need, that lets us know we need to find the difference. So we're going to have to subtract here. Okay. So we'll take our $21.99 and we need to subtract $14.50 from it. Okay. 9 minus 0 equals 9. 9 minus 5 equals 4. Bring down your decimal. 1 minus 4 requires us to regroup, so come over here and borrow. So 11 minus 4 equals 7, and then 1 minus 1 equals 0. All right. She will need $7.49 more to afford the doll. All right, let's try another one. Simon makes $7 a day to walk his neighbor's dog. If he walks the dog 4 days this week, how much money will he make? Well, let's think about what we know. Every time he walks the dog, he makes $7. And this week, he's going to walk the dog 4 days. So we know we can either do repeated addition. We can do the $7 plus $7 plus $7 plus $7 for all of the 4 days. Or we can simply do our basic multiplication fact, 7 times 4, which equals 28. But just remember, we're working with money. So he will earn $28 this week. All right, you try one. Kyle bought 3 toys at the store. The first toy was $2.25. The other 2 toys were $4.32 each. How much did he spend on all 3 toys? Okay, let's look back at what we know. We know we bought the 3 toys. One toy was $2.25, and the other 2 toys were $4.32. It's very important that you notice it says each. So we're going to have to add that twice. Okay, now to find the total, we simply add up all 3 amounts. 5 plus 2 equals 7, plus 2 more equals 9. 2 plus 3 equals 5, plus 3 more equals 8. Bring down our decimal. 2 plus 4 equals 6, plus 4 equals 10. Okay, so total, he would have spent $10.89 on all 3 toys. All right, let's try one final one. Karen purchased a dress for $34. She gave the cashier $100. How much change should she get back? So let's think about what we know. The dress was $34 and she handed the cashier a $100 bill. So to figure out how much she should get back, we have to figure out the difference. Okay? To do 100 minus 34, we know we can't do 0 minus 4. So we'll have to come over and regroup. 1 becomes a 0. The 0 becomes a 10. Now we can borrow from it. The 10 becomes a 9, and this 0 becomes a 10. 10 minus 4 equals 6. 9 minus 3 equals 6. So she should get $66 back. This concludes our lesson on solving word problems involving money.